this remedy that our parents, our grandparents have used from the time immemorial, and it has helped to revive back their sight. In those days, you see men of 100 years not using eyeglass, and yet they are still seeing as far as they can see. So, but today, in this our generation, you see young children, even as at 4 years, 3 years, they're already using glasses. Why? So sometimes it is hereditary, sometimes it can be managed, sometimes it could be infection that is not properly treated. So right now, I have this remedy here that can keep your eye healthy. It can give you healthy eye. If you already have infection on your eye that is still at the mild stage, it can be managed by constantly taking of whatever I have here today. Let me first of all introduce you to my all of our ingredients. We're going to use simple remedy you have around. First of all, I'm going to be introducing this beautiful spice. We all know onions as one of our beautiful spice we use in our whatever we are producing from our kitchen. Whatever recipe we have, we always make sure we have onions. Like me now, I eat a lot of onions. But today, it's not, this one I'm having here is not just an ordinary onion. This is a white or the onion sellers. They always have it. It comes in small quantity. But if you insist, you must always get a white onion. This is white onion, first of all. Our main ingredient, white onion. Here, I already graded it 1 bitter cola, dry bitter for eye. It's very good. We will make syrup from it for eye problem. This very one is a powder form. As we proceed, we'll make sure I show you everything. That is why I want to inform you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more of these tips. If you have not liked my video, like my video, give me a big thumbs up. Like my video, comment, and ask for more tip, and you shall be getting them. Then we have another thing here, which is we have the clove. As we all know, clove is very good for the eye. It's very high in in vitamin A. So without no wasting of our time, the first thing we do is that we are going to be grading our onion. Before now, I have already washed my onion and I have already peeled the back. So we're going to give it a good grade, just as I'm doing now. We shred it into tiny parts. What I'm making, I'm just going to show you for the sake of the video. I'm not making much because I already have my own I made for the children. So this one is just for the sake of the video I am showing you, and for the sake of the comment I got in my DM on WhatsApp. That is why I have decided to show you this very one. A lot of my clients ask me to show them because they normally ask me to prepare something for them, and because it is working, so about a couple of them begged me to get them the recipe. So I've decided to make the video so that you out there can also benefit, or if you know someone who have eye problem, you can easily introduce them to this recipe. So that is why you have to share these videos, let it go viral, so that who is suffering from one problem or the other on their eye can make use of this recipe. Thank you very much. As you can see, I have quite a large amount here already. So if you are making, it doesn't matter how many you use, depend on the quantity you want. You can make as much as you want, but for me, as I earlier say, I already have enough quantity. So, and this onion is a very hot onion, white onion. You can see my eyes already is giving me some tears. I'm going to pour my onions into my grinded dry bitter cola, as you can see here. Then what is going to go in now is my clove. You can see my clove is very big. I just have like a 7 number of clove that are already grinded. See it here, is going in as well. Then I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon. I told you it depends on the amount you want to make, but for me, I'm making small. Oh, the onion is so hot. So with this now, what do? You just continuously stir it together. You stir it together. Stir it together. You can see they have already mixed together. What do I do? After this now, I store it in a very wide container that my finger can easily go in. Then at everything, first thing in the morning, you just dip your finger. For me, this is just for the sake of the video. So you dip your finger, or you use a spoon, like half of a spoon. You take it. Let me take it for you to see. You chew it and you swallow it. I tell you, see the dead that will come out of your eye. Whatever is covering your eye will be coming out gradually. It's an everyday thing. That is why I say every morning you lick it. This remedy is also very good for what we call bronchial cough. If you have this dry cough, it also cure it. And for it's also very good as well. You know what God created cannot stand for one thing. It's also good for manpower.